Hello, Juniper community members. In this video, I would like to share information about logging into your personal Destiny account. Every Washoe County School District student and staff member has a personal Destiny account, but logging into these accounts can be a little tricky. It's important to know how to log into your Destiny account because from your account, you can check your book due dates, check for fines, place holds, check the status of holds, see recommendations from me, and create personal resource lists. We're starting here on the Lena Juniper Library Destiny webpage, and we'll click on the login link here in the upper right-hand corner. If you're working on a school district device that you've already logged into, you can click on this SSO or single sign-on button to directly access your Destiny account. Otherwise, you'll log into your Destiny account by entering your Destiny username and Destiny password over here on the right. For students, your username is your student ID number. This is the 7-digit number that's your library barcode number and the number you use to sign in to any school district device. If you don't know this number, you'll need to check your library card or student ID, check Infinite Campus, or ask a staff member for assistance. For staff members, your username is the local part of your email address. The local part is the part of your email address that comes before @washoeschools.net. For staff members, your username is not case sensitive. You can use all capital letters, all lowercase letters, or a mix of capital and lowercase letters. Passwords are more complicated, especially for students. For students, your password is your last name as it appears in Infinite Campus. If your last name in Infinite Campus has two parts with a space between each part, you'll need to enter the two parts of your last name with a space between each part. If your last name in Infinite Campus has two parts with a hyphen or dash between each part, you'll need to enter the two parts of your last name with a hyphen between each part. If you're not sure how your last name appears in Infinite Campus, check your library card or student ID, check Infinite Campus, or ask a staff member for assistance. For staff members, please check with me for your current password. For both students and staff members, your password is not case sensitive. You can use all capital letters, all lowercase letters, or a mix of capital and lowercase letters. Once you've logged into your personal Destiny account, you'll see your first and last name in the upper right-hand corner. When you're using a public computer, always remember to log out of your account when you're finished. Many students have started using Destiny Discover to search for books. Students and staff members use the same login information for Destiny Discover. When you're in your personal account in Destiny Discover, your first name appears here on the left, and your full name appears when you click the user icon. Again, always remember to log out of your account when you're finished. I hope this video was helpful. If you have a question, please add it to the comment section, and thank you for watching.